Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your data. Backup photos, contacts, and app data to a PC or cloud so you can restore later. Once done, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and if present, OEM unlock. This permits flashing. Make sure you identify the tablet's exact model and chipset, then download the matching firmware or ROM image. Don't skip version checks. Mismatched firmware can brick the device. Now connect the tablet to your computer and prepare drivers. You'll install drivers first so the PC recognizes your tablet. Use the chipset-specific USB or VCOM drivers. Next, choose the right flashing method, SB Flash tool for MediaTek images or Fastboot/recovery for others. Open the tool, load the scatter file or image files, and double-check partitions to avoid wiping user data accidentally. Make sure battery is above 50%. When ready, click Download or Flash. Then connect the powered-off tablet as instructed. You should reboot into the system and complete the initial setup, then check Settings right arrow about to confirm the new Android version. Once verified, restore your backup and re-enable security features like Screen Lock and Google Account Sync. If the tablet fails to boot or is stuck in a boot loop, first wipe cache partition. If that fails, reflash the correct ROM ensuring model and scatter file match. If problems persist, get logs and ask the ROM community or the seller for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.